पेशल पेशल दरवळ केशर लागीर भन्नाटे ग्वाडीन
उन उन वटातून गुलाबी धांदल वाफाळल पिरमाची मोगरी मलमल.
Hello viewers, today we are at an Indian tea shop called Ketli. Ketli means a kettle. As you can see, the shop is here and it's located in Goregaon East basically, near the highway next to the
Oberoi Mall.
that is the Dindoshi Court. It's opposite to the Dindoshi Court and has a very good business of various people here by virtue of its location. Now we show you inside what the tea shop is about. This is the tea mascot of Ketli tea shop, as you can see there. It's a Maharashtrian kind of a setup with the scarf on his head and he is having tea, as you can see. And that's the display of their special tea. That's the dressing of a typical Marathi man, what we call the Marathi Manus. That's how it is. And tea in Mumbai now is served mainly by the Maharashtrian people, the Marathis basically. They are specialized in making good tea. And I'll show you inside some more.
केटली स्पेशल चहा 10 रुपये, केटली मसाला चहा 10 रुपये, केटली कुल्हड़ स्पेशल चहा 20 रुपये, केटली कुल्हड़ स्पेशल मसाला चहा 20 रुपये.
And as you see, the rates are given here. And the basic tea is costing 10 rupees a cup. And there is something called kullad chai, kullad tea, meaning the earthen pot. Now these earthen pots are special, not the traditionally the way they are made. They are of very good quality and they are disposable. But that costs 20 rupees because by virtue of the cost involved. Otherwise the rest are served in paper cups. So this is the kind of standard. And they also have snacks here of various kind, which can accompany along with the tea. It's a very nice breakfast basically for Indian people who could come at 8, 9, whatever. And at lunch also a lot of people can have snacks. And tea is of course an accompaniment which is always there. People want to drink tea on any given occasion. It's a friendly thing. It's a family thing. Everybody comes here to have tea. It's a favorite pastime for Indian people and that's what they do. So this is the kind of the display here for Ketli as a shop.
नको चिंता जगाची केटली आहे साऱ्यांची. टी केटली याच संकल्पनेवर आधारित असून यामुळे प्रीमियम मिनी केटली व कीप ऑफ मेडल असे आकर्षक 3 मेडल आम्ही घेऊन आलो आहोत. 40 टक्क्यावर फूट ते 120 टक्क्यावर फूट जागामध्ये या व्यवसायाचे करू शकतो. याबद्दल पूर्ण माहिती इथं दिली आहे.
So viewers, this is about the tea you see at Ketli. What we are mentioning is the various ways in which the tea can be made. So there's a lot of description here which the customers can read if they wish to have a better feeling of what they are having. Now they have the premix of the tea, but that's their specialty and trade. As you see the board there, it's their brand and it's registered. If you notice the symbol R, it means the brand is registered and you cannot have anybody copying the Ketli tea. Ketli tea is confined to this brand. And it mentions here, Aapli Ketli. It means your kettle is the kettle which is in English and Ketli in Hindi, which is the serving part, that indicates the tea which is yours. That's the description over here. So this is the counter of the tea basically. They have 2 types. One is the paper cup, if you look at it. That's for 10 rupees, disposable. And this is what they call the kullad. Kullad meaning the earthen pot, as I said earlier. And this is a high quality earthen pot. It's not one of those traditionally made which were of very poor quality. This is very beautifully made with the design on top. Now it costs 20 rupees, which is very reasonable considering this is disposed and thrown away. But I guess the quantity is twice that of the cup over there. That's the reason this costs 20 rupees. This is the so-called kullad bit. You can see this nicely. That's the kullad. Okay. Now, Indian people, before they have tea, they must have some water. So this water is kept here free of cost, that they can drink the water to quench the thirst first, and then they have the tea to give a more relaxing feeling. So the water is here, the tea is prepared inside as you can see, and this is the arrangement over here. And that's where the tea is stored, and they have the cleaning and making facilities at the back. And now I'll introduce you to the owner, whose name and everything I'll give you. Now viewers, I am standing with the young and dynamic and handsome young man called Mr. Akshay Rane. Okay, he manages the stall, he manages the cash counter, and he's a very hard-working man. He even makes the tea, he serves the tea. That's the spirit of the new Maharashtrian who are making the state proud by offering the finest tea in Mumbai nowadays with so many stalls. Now he is the Ketli man. And look at his personality. A smiling man, pleasing man. Once you look at him, you feel like having tea. And come closer and see his personality. Look at it. Yeah, he has this personality of a very famous Marathi called Shivaji, as I think so. I may be wrong, but I don't know. But he has that personality. Barbar. Viewers, we are very fortunate also to have the owner of the tea stall, Mr. Rajan Rane. Right here, he is the man who started the concept of Ketli. We are privileged that he has come today. Normally he doesn't come, but today we see him here. And this is to introduce you to Mr. Rane, who's worked hard to make this stall a success. Thank you so much. Rane sir, up here. And maybe he has a word or two to tell you, my viewers. Please, while tea was introduced by the British people 300 years ago, tea is a part and parcel of Indian life now. And people like Mr. Rane are keeping the tradition alive by offering an upgraded version of tea, better quality of tea, but of course the Indian side of tea which the people prefer. Now Mr. Rane might have a few words to say. Sir, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
DST मध्ये पहिलं कंडक्टर म्हणून होतो, नंतर ऑफिसर म्हणून काम केलं. रिटायर झाल्यानंतर माझ्या मनात आलं की टी शॉप ओपन करायचं, म्हणून केटली हे टी शॉप ओपन केलं आणि जानेवारीपासूनही स्टार्ट केलं. आणि ओपनिंगसाठी भाजपचे आमदार अतुल भातखळकर, शिवसेनेचे पदाधिकारी, इतर पदाधिकारी होते. तिथपासून स्टॉल चांगल्या प्रकारे चालतो, लोकांचं चांगल्या प्रकारे प्रतिसाद आहे. त्याच्यामुळे अनेक युवकांनी टी स्टॉलमध्ये सहभाग होऊन आपलं उदरनिर्वाह करावं ही सदिच्छा.
Just said that he retired from BST best service and he decided to start the tea stall, and he was supported by some of the cooperators of Shiv Sena who had the support and guidance for this, which is a great concept, and today this concept is spreading. He's very happy with this business, that's what he said, and he's grateful that the tea stall is running very well. We wish Mr. Rane all the best, of course. Thank you so much. Viewers, we have one tea customer by the name of Mr. Kumar here, who is a regular, and he wishes to say something about the product, the tea that he's sipping right now. As you see that he's having cooler tea, which costs 20 rupees a cup. Mr. Kumar, what do you have?
I have no regrets in drinking this cooler tea. I came here actually to visit Mumbai for the first time, but I was so lucky that where I am residing just nearby apartment, and this tea stall is here, and such a nice tea that I have in my region that I come daily in the morning and in the evening and have this cooler tea. Very nice. I was till now I was thinking that in local Patna I was drinking the tea from that near Shivaji Park. That was the best, but I was wrong because it's one step even more tastier. Thank you, sir, for making my 7 days memorable.
Okay, viewers, we also have 3 gentlemen here who are from the north, and they are regulars here, just like Mr. Kumar earlier. They are regulars and they have tea almost every day here. It's like a pastime for them, the way they are sitting here to relax. Of course, today is a Sunday. It's a relaxed day, holiday. So they are just biding their time by chatting or coming. Maybe otherwise they would be very busy. So I'm going to talk to one of them and see what his comment is. The gentleman here, he has a few things to tell you.
We all three are the regular customers over here and इनकी चाय की क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी होती है और प्राइस भी इनका काफ़ी नॉमिनल है, जो कि आपको रोड साइड वाला जो प्राइस मिलता है उससे ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, बट द टेस्ट इज़ रियली वेरी गुड. थैंक यू.
Okay, viewers, now the last person to talk to us is here. As you can see, he's again a kind of a young man. He's a Maharashtrian, a local guy. And since we spoke earlier in Hindi and then we had English and etc., he is going to tell us his Marathi experience. Okay? Now he's going to talk to us. Please sir, बताइए चाय के बारे में. Come
चांगली
closer.
मस्त आहे. इकडे केतली नाव आहे, त्याचं चायचं नाव केतली आहे. हे चांगली चाय मस्त आहे आणि इकडं मस्त म्हणजे चायमध्ये चांगली मस्त वाटतं. चाय प्यायल्यानंतर मस्त वाटतं आणि टेस्ट पण त्याचा खूप भरपूर चांगला आहे आणि इकडे भरपूर लोक येतं प्यायला भरून कोर्टचं पण मग चाय भरपूर म्हणजे चायचा स्वाद पण चांगला आहे आणि चासमध्ये टेस्ट आहे आणि साखर पण चांगला असते आणि दूध सगळं आहे. आता मस्तवाली चाय
What he said, and we're gonna see if anybody talks. Otherwise, that's about it. We've done the job for KT today. Thank you. So viewers, one more very important point. While this is a tea shop, unlike many other tea shops, we have Pandarpur, we have some other tea names, various kind of tea people, Yevle, etc. Ketli is very fortunate in the fact that they also have a Anna Dosa Junction. Yes. If you look at it, they serve snacks as well. So it combines as a snack cum tea bar, which is very important for people to eat as well. So they have complete variety, which we'll also show you on the menu card over there. A separate photo for you. Thank you.
पेशल पेशल
हे पेशल पेशल